Welcome back to English class, the at-home edition. Today I'm going to be doing some review. As we've been talking about animals, I'm going to continue with that, but draw our focus to sea animals. Many students have a hard time with sea animals. The reason is, in Thailand, we eat a lot of seafood, but students don't always know how to say the certain things that they're eating in English. When we talk about food, we know things like pizza and hamburgers, but we often don't talk about things like shrimp, or squid, or eel. Then we're also going to focus our attention on insects, things that are not actually animals. They are in their own category, just as plants are living things but not animals. So we'll also take a look at insects. So first we will begin with the sea animals. Whale. Now this type is usually called a killer whale or an orca. Dolphin. Dolphin. Shark. Shark. Stingray. Stingray. Lobster. Here is one that we eat. Lobster. Crab. Crab. Another food that we eat. Eel. Eel. Sometimes you can find sushi with eel. Shrimp. Shrimp. A very popular food. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Sawfish. Sawfish. Seahorse. Seahorse. Starfish. Starfish. Squid. Squid. Something else that we eat. Squid. Octopus. Octopus. Turtle. A sea turtle. Oyster. Oyster. Seagull. Seagull. Pelican. Pelican. Seal. Seal. Penguin. Penguin. Blowfish. Blowfish. Walrus. Walrus. Swordfish. Swordfish. Tuna. Tuna. Coral. Coral. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Angelfish. Angelfish. Flamingo. Flamingo. Mussel. Mussel. clownfish, clownfish, sea urchin, sea urchin, shells, seashells, butterfly is an insect, butterfly. Bee, bee, also an insect, not an animal. Bee, ant, ant. There are many types of ants, black, red, big and small. Ladybug, ladybug. You can usually find these in a garden. A ladybug. Mosquito, mosquito. These are the ones that bite and make you scratch and carry diseases. Spider, spider. There are many kinds of spiders. Most have 8 legs. Caterpillar, caterpillar. These are, and there are many different kinds of caterpillars, but they all turn into butterflies. Many different colors. Caterpillar. Wasp, wasp. Be careful of these because they will bite you. Grasshopper, grasshopper. I don't know why, but this one looks sad. Grasshopper. Fly, fly. This is not a very good picture of a fly. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Firefly, firefly. These ones you can see at nighttime. It looks like little lights. They're fireflies. That's the end of this lesson. Remember that insects are not really animals. So when you talk about animals, don't say your favorite animal is a butterfly. Also, some of the other animals for the sea were actually birds. These are birds that are usually around the sea because they eat fish, like a pelican or a flamingo. So, a seagull also. Some of them are birds. That's the end of this review. Bye for now.